How's it going? Alright guys, we are here at carbon ice blasting. So these are the guys in here somewhere. Here we go. So let me try and work this camera just a little bit. Alright, carbon ice blasting guys, I'll flip it around. We're here at 35 Trafalgar Road in Epping. Come on down. We're here from 10 till 2 today, guys. So the cars are just starting to roll up. Got the merch stand set up down there. You guys are interested in some Northern Gal merch. Now, there are some special giveaways today. There is a free entry for the raffle. The raffle will be drawn at 1:30. These are the prizes there. All set up, so come on in. Alright, how about this young couple? Yeah, they're getting this business off the ground. Carbon ice blasting, guys. So it is to clean up all of your parts. So here are some before and after for cleaning. Check it out. Now, carbon ice blasting is like sand blasting, but a lot cleaner. It uses dry ice. So they've got one of their cars on show. This is the underside. So you can see the half and half here. We'll do a bit of a walkthrough. So you can see the difference. So this is a business launch, guys. Bring your classic down, or you can bring your daily as well. Come in and see the guys. Have a chat to them. They've got all their brochures here. So, cleanings and coatings. All right. They've got a website as well, carboniceblasting.com.au. So I'm going to grab a few of these brochures, guys. If anyone wants any, let me know. I'll have them at some of our next events as well. These guys will be there. So there are some goodie bags for you guys, some stuff in there. Come on down for the free entry for the raffle. Alright, so we haven't officially started yet, so cars are still rolling up. We've got Nice Ice Baby. They're here. We've got Paddy's nice 4x4. Look at that. This thing is a weapon. Fully pimped out, heated seats. This thing is awesome. And he loves driving this thing as well. There's Paddy there. You guys probably would have seen him in a lot of the 4x4 channels. He's actually quite popular. Hey, Matty, how's it going, mate? Alright, good. Alright. So cars are rolling out. We're here at 35 Trafalgar Road in Epping, guys, till 2 o'clock today. Morning. Here we go, we got Vince and Frank there. Good morning, boys. That's it, huh? We got the good lookers here. Hey? So, there's Vince. There's Vince's car. If you guys don't know, Vince is actually my brother. He's built this car from scratch. Picked it up pretty much a wreck in Geelong somewhere and completely restored this thing. Absolutely beautiful. He's done a really good job on this. So Vince is actually a spray painter. There's Frank's ute just here. Alright, we've got some photographers here today as well. We've got Road Trip Photography and we've got Car Chick Media. There'll be a few other photography guys showing up as well. There's Frank's there. Got Matt's here. A few other cars rolling up. Just have a look for the flag at the front. Good morning, how are you? There's Car Chick Media right there. And Andre, the boxer, is right there. Look at this thing. There we go. Fred and Vicky. Morning, how are we going? Look at this thing. Haven't seen you for a while. We're just doing a live feed, all right?
I know.
How are you?
In case we forget who you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, 235.
So they're admiring my new merch.
They're not, no. The model after this coming out with the V8.
All right, guys. So we're starting here at about 10 o'clock today till about 2 o'clock. 1:30 is the raffle. Come on down. Join in the raffle. So you just hear some of the cars rolling up. Alrighty, so we've got some new merch that has just dropped. I'm wearing one of the new tops that have been released. I don't know if you can see, I've got my name on the back of it. So yeah, if you guys want some new merch, it's actually limited edition 2025 merch, guys. So hop onto my website, northerngal.com.au, to have a look at the new products which have just been uploaded last night. I'm still in the process of streamlining that. So yeah, northerngal.com.au, or any of the other events that we've got coming up, click onto the page. You'll be able to have a look at what there is. Yeah, so it is all special order, so you can message me with an order, pick out the top that you want. There is a sizing chart there. Like I said, they are limited edition for 2025, hence the number 25 on the tops. There is probably about 5 or 6 different versions that you can choose from. So yeah, check them out as well. So something a little bit different. There's some baseball tops, there's some rugby tops as well. So yeah, look, a lot to choose from. How you going, Enzo? How's the coffee? Good? That's all beautiful. All right, so coffees and ice creams we have from Nice Ice Baby. Morning, how are we going? All right, guys, so here is their phone number, Nice Ice Baby. Get in touch with the team if you guys have any events on, or even some private events too. These guys do it all. So if you got like birthday parties, confirmations, whatever, graduation, get these guys in and they can give you a chop out as well. So instead of having to cater for coffees and ice creams and that sort of thing, these guys can help you out. So guys, cars are slowly rolling up, which is what I want. There's Mel. Morning. So this is Mel and his beauty. Car Chick Media. Alright guys, another announcement as well. We went to Stusikino last night in Lygon Street. We are going to be having a morning meet in Lygon Street, guys. So that'll be coming up in May. So yeah, we're going to try and bring back Italy to Lygon Street, guys. Alright, Uncle Kebabs has just rolled up, so if anyone's hungry for lunch, Sam is here as well. So we're going to have some kebabs happening soon too. So look at this beauty here. So Stusikino Cafe or restaurant bar in Lygon Street, that'll be announced for a date in May. That'll be a morning breakfast meet. So we can pop in there, say hi to Mel's sister. She's a bit of a laugh. Alright, so let's have a look at what else we got. So there's a few events coming up. We've got Airport West coming back as well. That is, I think, next week. So if anyone's interested in Victory Road in Airport West, that is on next week. I think it is on the 6th. So come on down to that. Click on the page for the events. Click going or interested for updates. Alright guys, so carbon ice blasting, yeah? Come on down, see what they do. The flag is at the front in Trafalgar Road. It's a little bit difficult to see where this place is, but there is an entire industrial estate here. So look for the flag so you know which driveway to turn into. Look at that, 3 brockies, hey? How nice is that? I like the black arrows. It's nice. The boys hanging around. Morning, boys. All right. All right, let me get out of the photo shots. Everyone's taking photos. All right, guys, 35 Trafalgar Road in Epping. For carbon ice blasting, yeah? Come on down, it's a free raffle, you might win something. Some absolutely fantastic prizes from these guys. So we're here for their business launch. Give them a hand, give them a chop out. If you can't make it today, you can always log into their website or Facebook pages, and you can always inquire. They are there to help you out. Alright, there you go, this thing rolling up. Alright guys, we're here at 35 Trafalgar Road in Epping. Come on down. We're here till 2 o'clock today, yeah? We've got food, coffee, some fantastic people, some awesome cars. Like I said, you can bring your daily as well, yeah?
Yeah, I know. You're snooking. You can't do anything. Yeah.
Like a powerful one, right? And like spinning, every time you took off.
Oh, do. Yeah.
That's all you can do. And then another track around. It's like,
Yeah, they got no idea, man.
oh, no, it's not just going yeah.
This is Fred and Vicky's 54. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at the way they've restored this thing. Absolutely amazing. It's Fred and Vicky there. Great to see our club members that have come out. So yeah guys, Northern Gale Car Club. Anyone interested, shoot me a message. Plenty of parking spots here. Come on down. So I know there's quite a few events on today, which is fine. Just pop in even for half an hour, guys. Just come out and support this young couple that are getting their business off the ground. They've got a fantastic service.
Yeah, you were. That's why I asked you. She was driving the Charger. Yeah, you had your son too.
All right. All right, guys, come on down. We're here till 2 o'clock. I'll do another feed a little bit later on.